Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna do a little bit of weight reduction today. We don't really have anybody to race today. So yeah, it's my boy Civic right there. Single cam turbo. Alright, so pretty much we're just gonna remove the back seat, and to do that, pretty much all you gotta do is grab the seat from here and then just yank it all the way up. And alright, now to remove those in the back, you gotta pull this down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but try to get a flashlight so I can see better. Alright, so if you look in the middle right here, you're gonna see I think that's a T25, if I'm not mistaken. Gonna go ahead and remove that. Fuck. Alright, so after you remove that, you're just gonna pull this up. And for this part, also gonna put that down. Gonna lift up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Once you remove that bolt in the middle, it should come right back out. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today, man. The next time I make another video, we're gonna be racing probably a GTI, or you know, one of those fucking Mustangs and shit. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. The point of doing the weight reduction, you know, these B5, they, you know, they pretty heavy, and the B6. So by removing the back seat, you're saving like a good 50 pounds. You know, that's like having a, you know, one of these black guys sitting in the back. You know, you don't want that, because them motherfuckers heavy as shit. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, man. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'm out.